Racing just is started with Hey Jude, break quickly on the start at Chage, Tayuman in the middle portion, rushing upon the outside, Superstitious, Sugar Mike comes next, then moving up now on the outside is Sugar Free, Mr. Makati is down on the inside, Moscovado, Sobrang Class, Unica Champ, while Green Diamond is the early trailer by about 20 lengths of the leader, and as they swing down the back, we have Tayuman maintaining a half-length lead. Etchage applying a little pressure now on the outside. 4 lengths further back in third. Moving up on the outside is Sugar Free. Down on the inside comes entry number 1, Hey Jude, Mr. Makati. Now trying to get closer in fifth. Then next on line, Sugar Mike. Down on the inside, Unica Champ. Sobrang Class, Moscovado, Superstitious. While Green Diamond is still racing in less than at a far turn. We have Tayuman by about 5 lengths. Mahoy or Mr. Makati now moving up to take second. And they are now entering the home stretch. We have Tayuman by about 3 lengths. Mr. Makati remains in second. Then down on the inside, Hey Jude third. Sobrang Class. Last 100 meters, we have Tayuman this time by about 6 lengths, followed by Mr. Makati, Sobrang Class. And finally, it's Tayuman, Mr. Makati, Sobrang Class, Unica Champ, close. Hey Jude, Moscovado, Sugar Free. Then comes Green Diamond.
5-2-4-3. Mukhang close tayo for fifth between 1 and 8.
Pero ayos na rin yun. Si